3, 2, 1. Hi sisters, it's not James Charles, it's me, you know, the second best beauty guru out there, I wish. So today, this video is mainly just an excuse for me to test out all my Christmas presents that I got this year, because I put in, as well as my parents, to get me a new camera. Lovely friends also got me a microphone, and I bought this, but I owe my parents money, so they gave it to me for Christmas. You can probably guess what I got. Isn't it beautiful? I've only done 2 makeup looks with them, both pretty basic. I've only got a photo of my first one, which I'll put on the screen. Put on the screen here. As you can tell by the caption of that Snapchat. Not my best attempt. Thinking about it, I probably should have washed my brushes before I started, but why would I do that? So the makeup look that I picked to do is probably still advanced, but I wanted to use enough colours, but not like too many. Not like his rainbow one, because that'll be, I know my limits. Even this, I think, is pushing it. But it's the makeup look he did in his Bob Ross video. So yeah, that's the makeup look that I've decided to do. Fingers crossed it goes well, but I guess we'll see. I'm going to start with, I'm presuming I'm gonna have to put on a base colour. So we shall see.
Just for fun, I thought I'd clean up this palette super quickly and take out my palette and do a super quick and easy.
Quick and easy. We'll see. I'm just gonna clean off my brushes. I also don't have, like, I have Real Techniques brushes, but I don't have any of their eyeshadow brushes. So the one I'm using, if you want to know, is the W7 one. It's kind of prickly. It's not great, but it's not awful. I'm gonna bring you on in. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, this is gonna be so awkward to do. I don't have a big table either. I'm literally working off my lap.
Grabbing an M456, I'm gonna dip into the shade Daddy, the dark matte green, and pack this in an outer V shape.
He's using the shade Daddy in the crease. Oh my lord. And then he's dragging it out. This brush is shocking. It drags it into like a V shape. Wow, that's a prominent V. He makes it look so easy. Okay, so he goes quite far up. So, I need to like stay where you can see me, but also use the mirror. I don't normally do beauty videos. Oh my good god. Okay, that's a bit better. Oh, I think that's what he did. I find it really difficult to do eyeshadow on my right eye. I don't really know. This is my better eye for doing it on. But I don't know whether you can see, like here, I've got a scar where I fell off my chair and smashed my head into the table and I split my eyebrow open. And so I have like a slightly droopy eyebrow on that side. And so ignore this, it's a spot. I've had it for like 5 days now. Still not going. Oh, it looks so dumb. Like, it looks stupid on camera, but like when I look at it in real life, oh no, it still looks stupid. Wow, this looks really fun and fresh. My eyebrow just gets in the way. This is not happening for me. Oh no. It's a perfect way of removing eyeshadow off your face. Don't judge. We're gonna go with this. That took me 15 minutes.
And then grabbing an M433, I'm gonna dip into Social Blade in the bottom left-hand corner and use that to buff out the edges.
So with your slightly pink Eco Tools brush, dip into the colour Social Blade and use that to buff the edges out. Get that buffing. I don't really know what that's supposed to mean, but I will tell you what I just did You may not be able to see it on camera, but I can see it in real life and it looks beautiful. Also, I am putting far too much on my brush because I keep seeing these like puffs of colour escaping from my brush. Gorgeous.
Pack a little bit of Daddy into that outer corner.
I mean, my eyelid is so small. I kind of already did that.
Using together a tiny little bit of Daddy and a little bit of T on an M506 as well. I'm just going to use this to deepen up the outer V.
Daddy and T to deepen up the outer V. Daddy and T to deepen up the outer V. Daddy and T. I thought that kind of rhymed, but it kind of doesn't. So I've got this, which I used on Christmas Day and haven't washed. Relatable. I'm supposed to put this in the outer V. I think this is what he means. I mean, I put the colour in there. I'm just going to blend it out with my W7 brush. I was like bougie. Because I was too scared to put on too much, I'm going to go back in and add more. Except I completely missed the outer V and just shoved it in the corner. So we're going to blend that out.
Grabbing a little bit of concealer and an M124 brush, I'm going to quickly cut the crease.
I've tried this. I'm not very good at it. Also, my brush is dirty. What's new? God, I'm really committing now. This looks so bad. I like cutting the crease because it covers up all the mistakes that I did before. But, you know, from far away, it doesn't look half bad at the moment.
Now on another M124 brush, I'm going to dip into the shade Guac. And I'm going to give it a quick spritz of some setting spray. And I'm going to pop this shade right in the middle of the crease.
So he then puts puts that shade on the crease and then he blends it out. And then he puts setting spray on there, but I don't have that. And he said put it in the middle and then blend it out.
Same brush, I'm going to grab a little bit of ring light and give that a spritz of some setting spray as well. And I'm going to pop that in the inner corner.
Next step is to add the shade Ring Light, which is the white metallic shade. Is it the white metallic shade? I don't actually know. Ring Light is the like metallic-y goldy one. I knew that. I thought it might be. Whoa, my lord. That is a pigmented shade. I mean, call me James Charles. I'm like absolute beauty guru. James Charles is like the only beauty YouTuber I follow because I like his style, I like what he has to say, and I like the makeup looks he creates, and now I can create them too.
Dipping into a tiny bit of B, and I'm going to pop that in the inner corner.
He takes the shade B, which I'm literally just going to put on the brush that I just used, and he puts that on the inner corner, which I thought was where I was supposed to put Ring Light, but obviously not, because I don't know.
Lower lash line, I'm going to grab a little bit of cola and pack this right up against the lash line.
Taking that on the lower lash line, and I believe we're swooping it the entire way across. And this isn't even the right brush for it. I know exactly what I'm doing now. Okay, so what you do is watch James Charles's tutorial, not mine, because this isn't a tutorial. Hopefully yours will look better than this. But you sweep it along the bottom like this, all the way. And then you bring it up. I just poked myself in the eye about 1,000 times.
I'm going to tap into both Playground and a little bit of Brother to kind of make a more phthalo blue type of mixture, if you will, and use that to buff out a little bit of cola.
That's way too much. And then, oh my god. And then you're supposed to put that under, sweep it all the way up here. Oh my god, this looks horrendous. I just ruined it. I 100% just ruined that. Okay, so to fix your mistake, you just take a big blending brush. Oh my god. To fix your mistake, you take your finger and you smear it out. Okay, well, minus the smudging. I think I've done it. I think I've done it. Right, that's it for today. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm joking. Not gonna lie, I'm actually really impressed with myself. I did not expect it to actually look similar. Like, it doesn't look fantastic, it doesn't look awful. Time to start with the other eye. I mean, it's not quite the same vibe that I've got going on the other eye, but you know. Welcome back to reality, folks. So this is the finished look. I'll pop expectations or what it's supposed to look like, and then I'm reality. I don't think it's too bad, to be honest. That's the first eye I did, and that's the second. And to be honest, I think they're both alright. If I had to give it a rating, I'd give it... I'll be generous and give it 7.5. When I look at it in real life, I actually think it looks pretty darn good. I'm interested. You know what, I might actually film my mum's reaction. I'll do it secretly. That's what I'll do. I'll film my family's reaction to it and see what they think.
It's not too bad.
No, it's pretty good.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, I think you've done a good job.
But my eyeshadow.
Oh, Jesus. Dark. You look like... I did not notice that until you pointed out, like...
My eyeshadow.
Oh my god, stop stunning me!
It's really easy to talk to him, you know. What do you think?
You look beautiful, sister.